Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, timing your code. As a developer, how you are going to writing your code. What you have to written the code, you have to verify the functionality, the performance of your code, how it is executing in real time. You will see more on this video session, how it is. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use built-in method like timing your code of execution in Python. It's simply pretty much easy to understand how your written code is performing while on execution. Python programs and Python is providing a time it time. See here, time it. This is a keyword. If we are importing this method, we can use to how we written code of the execution performance. We can simply know with the small snippets. It can be called either command way, like using command prompt terminal, or it can be importing like a PyCharm IDE to that particular module and performing the code by using the editors of IDE editors. A small example program I have introducing here to specifying a range function. With the range function I am executing with the calculation of the percentile I am taking as a 0.7 percentile. How much it is percentile it's showing. That is my simple program, and that simple program I am executing 1 lakh times. See how? Then I can able to know my performance, written performance of my piece of code execution. See here, simply import the time it method here, and the defining, that is my function is my underscore. My function which is called alternative. Now here I have written simple things. I have taken 3.1415 some number I have taken here, and I'm iterating with the loop equal to x range of how many times it should be in the range, within the range of 100. The range I'm making is a for loop function. And now here y that equal to y to the power of what is this? The percentile I have to check it. It's 0.7. That's it. And here I want to return my y value. Written by as much as pretty simple. Now this is the method, the functionality with a range of 100 times of the range. This is the y value, the percentile to be checked with the 0.7. Now here I would like to see what is my performance of my written lines in the small chunks of code, how it is going to be performing in 1 lakh times if I want to execute the same code. Now see here, time it dot time of my function, time it dot, again it's a introduction of time it. Within this you have to send your method, which one you are going to verifying your functionality, and you have to strictly send the number how many times it should be executed. Like I'm giving 1 lakh times I need to execute this one. So now here I'm importing time it method to use this function. If you press one more enter, it will be treated as yes it is. Now see here, a small function for execution to have a 0.7 within the range of this value, and now I'm forwarding the time it function with these two parameters. This is the method to be executed. How many number of times? It's a 1 lakh times. This many numbers. Now execute and check this. Just a second. It's a throwing valuable statement, neither string or callable value. It's showing that it's a curly braces are not required. And execute the program. It will take the seconds, and it will be calculated you by the seconds. the written output it will come, and once it is schemed output, I will explain you how it is schemed. Now see 9.67 9 seconds 67 milliseconds it's taken for the execution of this particular piece of code with the 1 lakh number of times. You can increase more and more. Now see, time it function will return the code as a set number of times if the code is example 1 lakh times, and the report how long it is taken to run in seconds. The return which is given for as a value, it's in a seconds it's giving. So find out how long it has taken to run once the code is divided by result of that 1 lakh number what I have given divided by this result value. The repeat function it can be used to perform multiple times and decide the default is 3 is required, and report of the each result and it may differ. And if you are changed the y the percentage value here, and it may differ from the some short time. Likewise, you will verify by using timeit method, built-in method to find out whether it is how your code is performing and how your written code lines are performing and executing in real-time execution manner. That is a very much pretty easy. The built-in function you can utilize to have in a sessions to understanding about your code performance at your way only. Thank you for watching this session.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, find the description below. My details are available if any tutorial and requirements. Thank you.